Cambridge IELTS 15 Speaking Test, Test-01, with answers, Speaking Part 1, Topic, Email. What kinds of emails do you receive about your work or studies? Well, I receive quite a lot of emails as part of my daily workflow. I've been working as a manager in a company for 5 years, so most of the emails I get every day from a lot of clients. They usually submit their demand note for the purpose of selling products to us. For this reason, we have to send email to inform about our decision for buying their products. Do you prefer to email, phone, or text your friends? Why? I always prefer to send text messages or emails to my friends instead of calling them, mainly because it allows me to organize my thoughts more thoroughly. Besides, it also allows me to become more flexible with my communication since I don't get forced to say something that I don't want to. Do you reply to emails and messages as soon as you receive them? Why not? Yes, I do have a habit of replying my emails as soon as possible because I want the message senders to know that the message has reached the right person. Besides, I do it also because doing so gives me peace of mind, knowing that I value other people as well as their needs. Are you happy to receive emails that are advertising things? Why or why not? To be honest, no. I don't really feel happy to receive emails that send advertising because they waste my valuable time by confusing me to a point where I just don't know whether to read them or not. Besides, sometimes such emails carry computer viruses or other harmful things. Speaking Part 2. Describe a hotel that you know. You should say where this hotel is, what this hotel looks like, what facilities this hotel has, and explain whether you think this is a nice hotel to stay in. I would like to tell you about Seaside Grand Hotel, which is in Cox's Bazar near the world's largest sea beach of the world. I have stayed in recently. This hotel is also a famous tourist attraction with a unique architectural style. This hotel stands tall along the sandy shores of Cox's Bazar, offering breathtaking views of the Bay of Bengal. Its modern architecture blends harmoniously with the natural beauty of the surroundings. Upon entering the grand lobby, you're greeted by a spacious and elegantly decorated area with high ceilings, chandeliers, and comfortable seating. The hotel boasts a variety of well-appointed rooms and suites, each with a private balcony or terrace overlooking the sea. The accommodations are luxuriously furnished and equipped with state-of-the-art amenities, including flat-screen TVs, minibars, and high-speed Wi-Fi. Guests can indulge in a fine dining experience at the upscale seafood restaurant with panoramic ocean views, enjoy international cuisine at the all-day dining restaurant, or relax with cocktails at the rooftop bar. I really love the experience we had at the Seaside Grand Hotel. Its beauty and excellent service helped us ease my mind and enjoyed our trip more. Part 3 Details Discussion topic. Staying in hotels. What things are important when people are choosing a hotel? Well, I can't really speak for other people here because, frankly speaking, there could be millions of important things for them for which they choose a hotel. But as far as I am concerned, I choose a hotel based on a couple of important factors. One is how far it really is from the noises, hustling and bustling of city life so that I can have a sound and interruption-free sleep at night. The other important factor is how spacious the hotel really is so that I don't feel congested or suffocated in it, especially when there are too many guests there. From the reviews I often read about hotels, I can say that people often prioritize rent amount, location and amenities of a hotel while booking or deciding to stay there. Why do some people not like staying in hotels? In my opinion, some people don't like to stay in hotels for a couple of reasons. The number one reason probably is that they don't just feel enough comfortable in such environment where too many unknown and strange people live. Another reason could be that they don't get enough privacy at a hotel, especially when they need to finish some important tasks in an isolated environment. Do you think staying in a luxury hotel is a waste of money? As far as I am concerned, I never really like to stay at a luxury hotel and pay too much money to rent it because I do think that it is a terrible waste of money. Of course, if you are celebrating a wedding anniversary or celebrating multi-million-dollar business deal, then it is a different thing.